What's up YouTube? Today I've got a bunch of products that have been sent over from Doodroo to take a look. They haven't paid me for this video, so you'll get my honest opinions throughout. They have these sleeves that come in a two-part design, and orange and red is my favourite. Now when I was unboxing them, the grey, black and the green all come with a bunch of extra tip colours so you can mix and match to your heart's content. The benefits of a grip are not only aesthetics but as also to provide a bigger, more chunky hold, and in most cases I feel like that tends to help with a lot of strain in my hand while we're drawing for longer sessions. Once you pop it on, you can leave it on and it will charge alongside the iPad. And if you're using an Apple Pencil 1, all you need to do is just pop the cap off and you'll be able to obviously access the charger on the end. Oh, and in case you're interested, I'll leave links in the description down below to all of the products that you see in today's video. Now Doodroo also have their own glove design, and there's a really handy size measuring guide on the website so you can make sure you get a good fit. A glove's really useful for a couple of reasons. They help eliminate a lot of the false touches that you can get, and yes, there is settings in Procreate that will allow you to do this, but at the same time they never get rid of every single false touch, and a glove will just help you do that. And arguably the best perk of using one is it's much smoother while you're gliding across the screen because of the little padded side of the glove. Now while the screen was clear, I wanted to remind myself of what it was like to draw on the iPad without a screen cover on and just glass and pen. Now we all know drawing on glass sucks, and that's why you need yourself a paper feeling screen cover. Doodroo's comes with two and all the equipment that you're going to need to install it, and once you have done, you'll end up with this awesome, very fine detailed paper feeling screen cover. And I've actually used it a couple of times since shooting this footage, and I have to say I'm very impressed with how much sort of friction it provides and that real feeling of paper. Now I think it's worth looking at the wear that you will get eventually while using these screen covers on the tip of the Apple Pencil. Now I've had my Apple Pencil for 2 years and I've been using screen covers for about 1.5 years. Now this is actually the original tip, and yes there's wear, but it's nothing compared to what I've heard from other artists and other users. Now your mileage and mine will vary completely, but the perks of using a screen cover vastly outweigh the tiny amount of wear that you may receive. Now I always get really excited when we get a new screen cover in. It's always fun to use and try and work out the differences in the textures. Now this one's got a really fine texture to it, which is quite close to paper. There are other ones out there where the sort of bumps and lumps in the screen protector are quite large, so this is actually feeling relatively smooth. But as you can see, if I rub my finger over the screen, it actually then gets all of the grime from my finger onto the screen. And that's a perfect transition into their cleaning kit. Now you end up with this plastic casing where inside we've got a bottle with their solution in, and you actually use the material that's actually coated around the bottle and you use that to wipe down the screen with. And as you can see, it wipes it off completely. We've got a great collection of different products from Doodroo. Be sure to check them out in the description down below. Massive shout out to them for sending all those goodies out to us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.